everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a little free library that is scaled for minifigures for today's LEGO Brick tutorial. Let's start with a pair of 1x2 by 1x2 downwards angular plates. I'm going to flip this one upside down. I'm going to set a 1x2 brick on one side of the angular plate. I'm going to take the other one, set this one down like so. Now, take a 2x2 flat tile and a 1x2 by 1x2 downwards angular plate. We're going to need to make two of these. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to set it like so. Place this one on the right hand side. Take this one, we're going to set this one on the left hand side. Makes a nice little box. And set down a 2x2 round flat tile with a center hole. Let's flip it over and crown it off with a 2x4 ridge slope. Now for a little stand, I'm just going to take a 1x1 nose cone, set it inside the round flat tile. Makes a nice little post. Now for books, I'm just going to take 5 1x1 flat tiles. I'm just going to use various colors. Just going to start setting these in here. The extra colors does add a bit more character. You can use any color you wish, and we can just simply take our little free library and set it down on a base plate.